Hi everybody, I'm Vicky, and I've been talking to professional dentists and dental hygienists about the simple steps to great dental health. A nagging cavity, a loose filling, a dislodged tooth or a chipped crown can be stressful as well as very painful, especially if you can't get to a dentist anytime soon. What if it's after hours, the weekend, or, heaven forbid, mid-holiday? Luckily, there's help at hand from Dentek with this fast relief product called Dentek Dental First Aid Kit. It's an easy to use temporary treatment designed to replace a dislodged filling, cap, crown or inlay until you can next visit a dentist. It should only be removed by a dental professional. All the directions are here on the back of the pack, so make sure you read them carefully before you start, and always remember to wash and dry your hands first. Now, let me show you how easy it is to replace a lost filling with the Temperin Max included in your kit. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Wash the cavity area with warm water to remove food particles. Step 2. Saturate the tip of a fresh cotton swab applicator with eugenol from the vial and apply to your tooth to help the filling material apply to the tooth enamel. Try to avoid touching your gum tissue, cheek or tongue with the wet applicator tip, and don't leave it in your mouth. Step 3. Cut with the spade tool or pinch a small amount of Temperin Max from the vial and roll it into a ball between your fingers. Step 4. Slightly overfill the cavity with Temperin Max. Then tap into place with the tip of the applicator. Step 5. Close your teeth and gently chew or grind on the replaced filling a couple of times to create a comfortable bite. Use a moist cotton swab to remove any excess from around the area. And that's it. Within a few minutes, the Temperin Max will set softly in your tooth, but it's best to avoid chewing on the repair for 2 to 3 hours to allow it to fully set. To secure a loose crown, cap or inlay, it's just as simple. First, try your crown, cap or inlay to see if you can fit it accurately back onto the tooth surface. If you're not able to, then don't proceed. If the crown has the post attached to it, or if there is tooth surface remaining inside the crown, Temperin Max may not adhere. Step 1. Carefully rinse the tooth area and the inside of your crown, cap or inlay with warm water and do not dry. Step 2. Cut with the spade tool or pinch a small amount of Temperin Max from the vial and roll it into a ball between your fingers and place it evenly inside your crown, cap or inlay. Step 3. Place the crown, cap or inlay on your tooth and bite down, applying pressure to push it into position. And that's it. Temperin Max will begin to harden within a few minutes, but it's best to avoid chewing on the repair for at least 2 to 3 hours to allow the material to set. Use a toothbrush to gently clear any excess material.